millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
The familiar sound of the Red Hot Chili Peppers, synonymous with one of the standout heavyweights of the modern generation.